So when you unpack and you bring out this material, you might be thinking about, how do I show it to my child? And something to think about is all the connections that we'll be making will be happening when the work is in the hand of the child. Dr. Montessori told us that the hand is the instrument of the mind. So that's why they need to touch, they need to explore. So when you're showing the work to your baby, it's a good idea to think about how they'll be able to see your hand, you know, and think about your position of your body so that they make sure you have a good visual eye contact with what's going on. So when you bring out new work, it might be fun to go ahead and tell your child what it's called. So this is the ball drop box. And then remember, this is when we get quiet and we really animate with our body to make this look so engaging for them. And then we can look to them really to invite them that it's their turn. So what this is doing is showing this idea of object permanence, that perhaps it disappears, but it does come back.